Loose change can help create an easy preschool learning activity, and I'm going to show you how. Grab a few more items and you can create an easy learning tool. All you need is painter's tape and a pair of scissors. Place the tape on your surface, creating 4 squares. Give your child a bowl or cup of coins and have them place like coins together. This activity allows them to build a relationship and familiarity with coins. They will notice details and color. You can also talk to them about the image on the front and back so that they can gain more understanding of the coins and how they differ from one another. As time progresses, you can talk to them about how much each is worth and who the image on the front is depicting. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.